Let's start our second half of this 30-day challenge with an energy boost. Day 16. Welcome back. Today it's all about gaining more energy. So we will be working a lot with our breath, and we're gonna start standing up. So let's get started. Okay then, let's get started with the feet hip wide apart. You want to shift the weight on 4 spots on your feet, like 2 the inside and 2 on the outside, like on the heel, inside and outside, and then the outer edge of the foot and the inner edge. So you make sure you have the weight evenly spread across those 4 points. And then you lift your chest, you bring the shoulders down, and let's get started with some breathing. You inhale into your core, into your chest, and into your shoulder area. And then you exhale, also long exhale, shoulder, chest, stomach. Inhale here, all the way up, all the way up, all the way up, and then exhale. Let's just do this a couple more times. And we will try to keep this long, deep inhale throughout the next few minutes. While you interlace your hands, you inhale here, and then you step back with the right foot. You open up, and then you bring the hands to your forehead and you exhale. Inhale, open up. And then exhale, step back slowly. Try again. Inhale here. Open up to the side. The left foot steps to the side. And then you exhale. Hands to your forehead. Inhale again, open. And then exhale, step to the front. Drop the hands. Okay, let's continue. Inhale. Step open. Exhale, sit a bit lower with the hands to your forehead. Inhale up. Step back. And again, left leg. Inhale. Open. Exhale, sit down. Inhale up. And return. Again, inhale. Sit low. Open. And come back. Left leg, lift and step back. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Sit low. Inhale up. And come back. I'm going to add something. You can either continue the same way or you come with me. Inhale, open up. Long inhale. And now with the exhale, you can come with me, and it's like a turn to the front and the hands go to the forehead here. It's like a twist. And then you inhale up and you step back. Take your time. Inhale, open. Now it's like a twist to the front, hands to the forehead. You twist the upper body and you open again. Inhale and come back. We continue with this. Inhale up. Twist to the front. Now stay here. Open up. Do the same twist again. Inhale up. One more time, twist. Inhale up, open. And step back to center. Inhale, step with the left foot. Twist to the front. Inhale up. And again to the front. Open up. Inhale, open. Step to center. One more each side. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale, open. Exhale, twist. Inhale, open. One more twist. Stay here. Stay, hold the breath for a moment. Open up. Back to center. Good. Inhale. Twist. Again. Stay, hold the breath. Come back up. And back to center. Good. Now roll forward with your shoulders. Inhale up. Again, exhale, come a bit more down. Round your spine. And inhale up. Again. One more. Bring the hands down. Try to straighten the legs. Stay here. And then you place the left hand into center and you open with the right arm while you straighten the right leg and the left leg is bent. And then you drop the right hand. You switch the legs. Left one is long, the right one is bent, and you open to the left. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more each side. Place both hands down, step back into plank, drop the knees, sit back, and take the hands behind your head. So you interlace the hands behind your head. You come up, and here, inhale, exhale, come to the side, roll to the other side, and inhale again. Exhale, turn, roll, inhale. Deep inhale always. Long, deep inhale. Exhale. Very long inhale. Last one. Good. Release. Hands underneath your shoulders. Place the toes on the mat and lift the knees. Just hold here.
Activate some core for energy. Just hold and release. Sit back. Catch a break. We're gonna do the same again. And this time, when you place the hands, I want you to visualize, or not only visualize, pull the hands closer to you. So you push them in the mat, but at the same time, it's like you try to pull them closer to you. And just by doing this, you can maybe feel how your core is activating, yeah? So now you want to do this. At the same time, you lift your knees. Hold and breathe. And release. Sit back. Very good. Okay. One more time. Pull the hands towards you. Lift the knees. Drop the knees. Now come on your forearms here. Interlace the hands. And with that same core strength, you lift the knees, but now you lift them high as if you want to go into a down dog. And you walk a bit closer towards your head with your feet. Just hold here. Breathe. Drop the knees. Sit back. Relax. Good. Now bring the right leg to the front and sit low. So now you want the right lower leg to be in one line with the edge of your mat. And the back foot is also in a 90-degree angle. Okay. Grab the toe, the big toe, with your left hand. When you have the right leg in front, it's your left hand here. And the right hand just goes to the front, to the side for support. Deep inhale. And now you exhale towards the foot. And you come to the knee. And then you inhale again, coming up. And same long inhale here. And then exhale. Long inhale. Take your time. Do it in your own pace. You don't have to follow my pace. Just make sure you breathe all the way in, from the core to the chest to the shoulder. Last one. Stay down. Stay. Breathe. Continue to breathe. And come up. Switch the side. So your left leg is in front. Right leg 90 degrees. Grab the toe, the big toe, with the right hand. Left hand supports. Inhale, deep, long inhale. And exhale.
One last round. Next time, stay down. To stay here, continue to breathe. And come up. Move your legs, windshield wipers. And come into a comfortable seat. Bring your right arm up in here. Exhale, hold it in front of your face. Left arm in here. Exhale, hold it. Inhale, both hands. And release. Left arm. Right arm. Both. Both arms up. Exhale, down. And hold in front of the heart. That was a short energy boost session for today. Let me know below in the comments how you're feeling today. And then I see you tomorrow. And tomorrow is going to be beautiful. Love and joy. Namaste.